Hello friends, this is the sum on relevant costs. So let's look at the question. S Limited is engaged in manufacturing activities. It has received a request from one of its important customers to supply a product which will require conversion of material M, which is a non-moving item. So one important customer has reached out to me and asked me to prepare or to manufacture a product which will require material M. Material M is a non-moving material for me. The book value of material M is rupees 60. The realizable value of material M is 80. And the replacement cost of material M is 100. I hope you understand the difference between book value, realizable value, and replacement cost. So book value is the cost at which it is recorded in my books, which is rupees 60. It could be the cost at which I have bought. Realizable value is the value at which I will sell. Today, if I sell it, I can realize 80 rupees out of it. And replacement cost of material M is if I go to the market today to purchase material M, I will get 100 rupees. It is estimated that the conversion of 1 unit of M into 1 unit of finished product will require 1 labor hour. So at present, labor is paid at rupees 120 per hour. Other costs, out-of-pocket expenses, rupees 30 per unit. Allocated overheads, rupees 10 per unit. Labor will be redeployed from other activities who are permanent employees of the company, and it is estimated that the temporary deployment will not result in loss of contribution. Therefore, you can say that there is a sort of a surplus labor, and therefore there will be no additional hiring. It will be a temporary deployment, and over there we are not losing any contribution because of that. The question is, estimate the minimum price to be charged from the customer so that the company is not worse off by executing the order. So I'm doing the order, and what is the minimum price that I should charge so that I don't incur any losses? The minimum that I should charge from the customer. Let's look at the solution. So to compute the relevant cost of producing 1 unit of the finished product, I need to look at the material M cost. I will look at the realizable value, because today if I do not manufacture this product, what will I do with material M? I will sell it off. By selling it, I will realize rupees 80. So this rupees 80 is the minimum that I should take from the customer. Labor, it's a sunk cost. I will not consider anything for it because I'm not losing any contribution elsewhere by doing this, and I'm not incurring any extra cost. So cost of labor is 0. Out-of-pocket expenses, I'm incurring extra, which is 30 rupees per unit, and allocated overheads, which was 10 rupees per unit. So allocated overheads are not relevant for the decision because it's an overhead which will be absorbed by another job if I do not manufacture this. Therefore, my total cost of material M, which I should realize from the customer or which I should charge from the customer, is 80 rupees of material plus the 30 rupees of out-of-pocket. Therefore, it's 110. Therefore, the minimum price that the customer should charge from the customer is rupees 110 per unit.